The world of gaming handhelds continues to heat up, with two new powerhouses entering the ring, the MSI Claw and the Lenovo Legion Go. Both offer advanced features and powerful specs, making choosing players a difficult one. Let's dive into a detailed comparison to help you decide which one reigns supreme for you. The MSI Claw and Lenovo Legion Go present two exciting visions for the future of handheld gaming. The Claw's distinction lies in its choice of processor. It's the first device of its kind to break away from the AMD trend with an Intel Core Ultra chip. This decision, along with features like eye-catching RGB lighting and drift-resistant Hall effect triggers and thumbsticks, demonstrates MSI's commitment to impressive technology. Additionally, Intel's SES upscaling technology promises smoother frame rates, an undeniable lure for enthusiasts. The Claw even expands its appeal with the app player, allowing gamers to enjoy the world of Android gaming titles alongside their PC library. On the other hand, the Lenovo Legion Go focuses on display and versatility. Its larger 8.8-inch QHD Plus display provides a more immersive visual experience than the Claw's FHD Plus screen. Its star feature, the detachable controllers reminiscent of the Nintendo Switch, adds a level of flexibility that allows for playing in multiple comfortable positions. For hardcore FPS players, the right controller's optical mouse sensor provides a significant advantage in aiming precision. And with native Xbox Game Pass support, subscribed gamers instantly gain access to a massive library of titles. The MSI Claw presents a familiar, albeit comfortable, design. Its compact size and weight make it a truly portable gaming companion, but the display might feel a tad underwhelming for those accustomed to larger screens. The Legion Go wins in the display department, hands down. The sheer size and higher resolution offer a more visually captivating experience. However, this visual punch comes at the cost of size and weight, making the Legion Go less appealing for those seeking ultimate portability. The choice is yours. Do you prioritize a sleek and light device, or are you willing to accept a little extra bulk for a more immersive visual experience? While we still wait for hands-on performance comparisons, both devices promise exceptional experiences thanks to their powerful processors and ample RAM. Here's where our opinion comes in. The Claw might hold a potential edge due to its higher wattage output, which could translate to better performance under heavy loads. However, that remains to be tested in real-world conditions. With both devices running Windows 11, the software experience should be broadly similar. Each offers custom UIs for managing games and settings, providing a user-friendly experience. The Claw earned some extra points for its app player inclusion, broadening its game compatibility to the massive Android market. Additionally, its Thunderbolt 4 port could mean exciting future possibilities for expanded connectivity. On the other hand, Legion Go's native Xbox Game Pass support is a major selling point for players already invested in that ecosystem. Unsurprisingly, the MSI Claw's larger battery translates to longer expected playtime, with the potential to last 2 hours while running demanding games. This is a significant advantage for those who value long gaming sessions on the go. Regarding price, there's little to differentiate the two, with both starting at the same price point. The ultimate decision comes down to what you value most. If you're a technology enthusiast who appreciates the latest Intel innovation, along with unique features like SES upscaling and a longer-lasting battery, the compact MSI Claw might be your perfect companion. However, if a larger and more immersive display, the flexibility of detachable controllers, and a vast library of Xbox Game Pass titles are more enticing to you, the Lenovo Legion Go might be a better fit. No matter which device you choose, you're sure to be getting a powerhouse that promises thrilling mobile gaming experiences. Let us know what you guys think in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.